so you saw the reverse lights work, brake lights work, the regular lights work, the brights work, and the little bright dimmer, or the bright indicator works. The parking brake warning works, and it flashes. And if the headlights are down, this little thing comes on and says lights. If the headlights are down, but let's see, they'll come on down here. Yeah, and see, it says lights. I don't think you see it here. Let's see if they'll come back up. But anyway, oh, blower motor works. That's nice and hot now. The fuel gauge works. The battery gauge works. And it reads positive. It was reading negative before. Oil pressure works. Water temperature works. So, and I got a 5-speed. I don't have a 4-speed. I got a 5-speed. So, that's it.